Alright, welcome back. Alberto here with another trading session. We're trading futures NASDAQ on Ninja Trader 8. The market is about to open in 3 minutes. We're currently sitting below VWAP. We just approached the current value area low. As of the overall trend, we had a nice push to downside at the beginning of the night. Made our way up, pretty choppy, I would say, very rangy. Got all the way to the one deviation of the VWAP, and pretty much we just had a nice push to the downside. Looking at cumulative delta, we're almost 2,000 contracts short below delta neutral. So let's see what happens. Profile is looking somewhat balanced, potentially expecting value areas to be respected. Let's see at the open if we get price to retest current point of control or VWAP, or if we push all the way down, continue the trend all the way to the overnight session low. As of news, we had OPEC monthly report 7, and that's pretty much it for today. So we'll stay patient and let's see what happens at the open. Market just opened. Let's see, we gotta pull back into VWAP and current point of control, and then continue short. Very choppy right now. And balance short showing up. Pretty much chopping around current value area low, which is this dashed line. We just clear this prior swing level. We're also sitting around the -1 deviation of VWAP. Multiple levels sitting around this zone. Came back to retest that prior unfinished auction. Sellers coming in, big push in delta. So right now things are looking bearish. Some buyers coming in now, potentially getting squeezed. This might push to the downside. There you go. I'll take the short here. See if we can get a push off of current value area low and that prior swing level. Stopped out. Was hoping that price would go all the way to the prior swing level that was just being formed. Fortunately, that didn't work out. We're trending in the same direction of the trend. Cumulative delta was looking short. There was no indication that to take a trade on any other different way other than continue in the direction of the trend. We were retesting that prior swing level right here, but unfortunately it didn't work out. Looks like we're pretty much getting back into value area and potentially expecting price to get back into current point of control. Very nice retest of this prior swing level, which is also bouncing off of the -1 deviation of VWAP and current value area low. But let's see, because the overall trend is kind of to the downside. A little bit skeptical of taking a long trade right now. So sellers coming in, 136 contracts. And This prior trade is unfortunate because we had a nice push in cumulative delta here at the break, then eventually pushed all the way up to retest that prior imbalance short to the tick basically. Very choppy. Nice rotation now to the downside. Expecting the overnight low to be taken out. Very nice push in cumulative delta too. Price came to the tick. I'm gonna take a short here, see if we can clear that overnight low. Didn't get me filled. Price went all the way there and didn't get me filled to my target. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I was expecting a retest of this prior swing. We had a big rotation, pull back into that area and continue. Price pretty much coming to take me out to the tick. Unbelievable. Fortunately, this type of stuff can happen. We're trading with such small stops, and any small move can pretty much take you out. Usually, with 5 contracts, you get filled no matter what. Looks like we're pushing down now. Clearing some swing levels from a prior session. Good break with good delta. Right now the 500s is an important level. I'm gonna take this imbalance short, see if we can continue the direction of the trend. Alright, 3 stops, 3 losses in a row. Or both of the last trades were pretty much about to get our target filled. Unfortunately, they didn't work out. 3 losses or 3 wins in a row. That's it for me. I'm not gonna keep trading. I'll just pause for the day and come back tomorrow. We'll make it back. This just sometimes happens. You gotta understand that it's just part of a process. Hopefully you find some value out of it. If so, feel free to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about my entries? What would you have done differently? We also have a Discord server. There's a link in the description. It's completely free. You can feel free to join. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.